Hi. Hi, what's your name?
Connie.
Hi, Connie. And Connie, where are you from?
Canada.
Canada. First time here to the theater? We're glad that you're here tonight, Connie. You hang right there, okay? We're going to put you to work. We got Connie over there. Hi. And what's your name?
Lacey.
Hi, Lacey. And Lacey, where do you hail from?
New Mexico.
New Mexico. And what brings you to Myrtle Beach, Lacey?
Dancing.
We're glad that you're here. Do you dance in town somewhere? We're going to plug the show. Right. Oh, great. So it's up and coming. We're glad that you're here tonight, Lacey. Okay, I tell you what, girls. Tonight, we've got a couple jobs for you. We've got some instruments for you, but not to play, okay? To display. Yeah, don't freak out. Look at the joy overcome on you. Just, yes. Yeah, keep smiling, okay? Because on the count of three, we're going to shake them as hard as we can, girls. Here we go, Bobby. Come on now. 1, 2, 3, go!
Country girl,
Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me. Don't stop on me. Come on. Come on, Connie. Country girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me. Keep going, Lacey. Country girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me. Don't stop, girl. Country girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me. Oh, what a riot. Don't stop. Here we go. Come on. Our country girls. Take a bow, Lacey. Connie, thank you so much. I thought one of y'all was going to break something.